Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're gonna be making 3 classic dressings. We have Ranch, Thousand Island, and Caesar that are low carb and keto friendly. So let's get started. We are starting off with ranch. So if you are a ranch lover and want a homemade ranch that is super bomb, right here. Let's go ahead, and you're just gonna need a bowl. You're gonna need a bigger bowl where you're gonna mix in all your ingredients right into it, okay? So this here is our mayo. You're just gonna use your mayo of choice, whatever you have at home. Then we have sour cream. So you're just gonna toss that in. And we have chives. Then we have our parsley. This is powdered garlic. Okay, so this is just some powdered garlic. And we have our pepper. Dill, so this is fresh dill, chopped. So here we have our onion powder. Now we have our almond milk, throw that in, and your cream of choice. We're gonna go ahead and use half and half, but you can use a cream, your cream of choice. And then we have a little bit of salt. And use our whisk to mix that together. I mean, have you guys ever tried making your own dressing at home? Like, have you ever tried? It's actually really easy, and you get to, you basically know everything that you're putting into your dressings. All right, so I give a little taste test just to make sure that it's perfect. You want to make sure that it has enough salt, enough flavor, and that it tastes like ranch. So this one reminded me of like the Wingstop ranch. So if you love Wingstop ranch, boom, baby, you have a homemade version. You can do this with wings, with your salad, with whatever you want. But let's go ahead and move on to our next dressing because we gotta knock them all out. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to our Caesar dressing. Caesar is one of my absolute favorite dressings ever. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Look, simple, mayo. Use your mayo of choice. Throw that in. Some Dijon mustard. Okay. Minced garlic. We have anchovy paste. Then we have some Tabasco. Okay, let me know if there are any ingredients that you did not know were inside of a Caesar dressing. We have the Worcestershire sauce, some avocado oil, salt, some pepper. Okay, then we're gonna finish it off with some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Boom, okay, and now let's go ahead and mix all this together. And you have to make sure you mix really, really well because you want to, there's the anchovy paste, and that is a huge component to this recipe. So you wanna make sure that that gets really mixed in. So this is what the consistency looks like right now. Now, if you want a super thick dressing, leave it just like this. I want mine a little thinner, so I'm just gonna add I'm gonna add in some almond milk until I like the consistency of my dressing, okay? So we're just gonna add a little in. Oop. You can add water if you don't have almond milk or you don't wanna use it, but before we move on, we want to make sure that the dressing is on point because it might need a little salt, it might need a little something. So good. I love Caesar. We're gonna set this aside and then move on to our last dressing. Okay guys, so now for our final recipe, we are going to make Thousand Island dressing. So this can be on a salad, as a dipping sauce, or even on your burgers. Like this is In-N-Out dupe right here. Let's go. Okay, simple. Mayo, boom. sugar-free ketchup. We have a little bit of Tabasco sauce, just to add a little kick. We have a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Okay, some vinegar. Boom. Minced garlic. We have our salt. Sweetener. Okay, so you know that this dressing is typically sweet. Okay, so we have our sweetener. And we have some red onion. So we also have pickles. These are diced pickles. And we're gonna go in with the whisk. Okay, let's try. Dang, in and out. In and out, who? This is so bomb. All right guys, so we're bringing back in our dressings. This is all three that we made. Thousand Island. Okay. We have, ooh, yes. And then we have our ranch. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and pour these into our bowls and then we're gonna get our crispy wings to do the taste test. All right guys, so Donnie is gonna come in. He's gonna do the taste test with us. He loves, which is your favorite? There's ranch, Thousand, oh I already know, Thousand.
Yeah, she knows.
Yeah, he loves Thousand Island dressing. So we're gonna do the taste test together. So go ahead and grab your wing.
Okay, I got my wing.
Okay, we'll just both do Thousand. Why not? Okay, cheers.
Cheers, babe. Yum.
What do you think?
That's great. I'll see you later.
You're right. What now? Thumbs up. Thousand. Okay, I'll dip mine right here on the side. For the ranch. I feel like the ranch
is good too? Let's check it out. That is good.
Okay, I'm gonna do Caesar, which is my favorite. It's just like an original Caesar dressing. The bomb. I'm gonna make a Caesar. I'm thinking like a chicken Caesar without. Homemade dressing, juicy chicken breast. Guys, done. All right guys, so I hope you really enjoyed that taste test with Donnie. He doesn't always come in here. Comment down below if you want to see him more in my videos because he is more than happy to come in here and cook. No, you have to come in here and help me cook. But if you guys want to see him on a video cooking here in the kitchen with me with a little low carb love apron, then comment down below and let him know because that's the only way he is going to get in here. If it weren't for the wings, he wouldn't be in here. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. 3 classic dressings, ranch, Thousand, and Caesar for you. I hope you guys love them. The printable recipe will be in the description below. That's going to take you to lowcarblove.com where you'll be able to print the recipe, and there's also exclusive recipes that I don't share anywhere else on the internet, so make sure you check that out. And if you still want a little more of me, make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok where I share more recipe ideas and a glimpse into my everyday life. We're done.
All right.
Guys, I love you so much and I will see you on the next video. Mwah.
Bye everybody.